For dusting high or hard to reach areas, a dusting wand is a handy tool. This dusting wand has a removable microfiber sleeve. The head of the wand can be carefully bent to fit the shape of what you are dusting. Another benefit to its flexibility is when one side is dirty, you can bend it the other way so you can continue dusting. This helps with speed cleaning. When dusting a ceiling fan, go slow and steady. Since the cloth is microfiber, it will hold most of the dust and keep it from falling to the ground. This extension wand also works nicely for high ledges and keeps the dust on the sleeve rather than making it fly all over the room. Blinds can get pretty dusty. Once a blind has been thoroughly cleaned, a good ostrich feather duster works great for keeping the blinds from dust accumulation. Starting at the top, with the blind slats open, gently go across from side to side, working your way down the blind. A good quality ostrich feather duster is my favorite way to quickly clean blinds. Another method can be to use a lamb's wool duster and do one side with the blinds closed, and then flip the blind slats all the way to the reverse and do the other side. Again, working your way from top to bottom. The lamb's wool duster is particularly helpful for families with asthma and allergies. For dusting furniture, use an all-purpose microfiber cloth and gently mist it with water. This is done after all the high dusting such as ceiling fans and blinds have been done. Remember to work your way around the room from top to bottom going in one direction. Gently lift each item and dust it as you go along the surface of what you are dusting. Another favorite method for super speed dusting is to use the microfiber dusting glove. There is no need to dampen the gloves. Simply work your way across the surface and lift and dust each item. If you wear two gloves, one on each hand, you can sweep around a room very quickly, and when the gloves get dirty, just flip them and switch hands, so that the dirty side is on top of your hands and now the wiping side is clean and ready for more surfaces. The gloves work especially well for chairs and table legs. Remember, microfiber does not cross-contaminate, so you can continue using a cloth or glove for quite a while and the dirt is going to stay in the fibers of the cloth until it is laundered in hot water.